Yeah, so I'm out here. We were looking at the option for a tankless water heater. Got a split level house. Complicated getting the venting to the outside. This water heater at the moment is 16-inch diameter. It's 58 inches tall. It's a little narrow. I know our new one that we're going to come back with is going to be 20-inch diameter. We could get it in. This stud here could be popped out and popped back in, and we'll be able to get our tank back into the similar spot. So I'm going to suggest we come back with a 40-gallon tall water heater. You can see the 3-inch loop coming in. Looks like it's connecting into a 5. May just have to readjust the gas feed with the new water heater being a little bit different diameter. There is a drain in here, and then access, you got a back door, laundry. That's it.